His bed.
Easter bunny.
Has Easter Bunny been?
Yeah.
What did he leave you?
Easter bunny.
An Easter Bunny egg. Come and have a look.
Yeah.
Has he left any more?
Oh. Oh.
Oh!
Oh, this.
What's that?
Easter bunny. Oh. Sit.
Chocolate Easter Bunny.
Sit.
Are you going to take it, are you?
Yeah.
Look what's all over the floor, Yardley.
Oh, look what he's done.
Oh, do it. Oh, that's a mess.
It's a mess, is it?
Yeah.
It's a trail. And look what's on your door. Look what's on your door. I think that's a carry bag to put all your eggs in.
That's right.
That's it. Can Nolly open her door now? Where is she? Oh! There she is!
This is.
Nolly, look what's on your door. A little bag.
I'll do one.
Have a look out here, Nolly. That's it. She got a rabbit, did she?
Put it on the floor.
Oh, let's have a look.